I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix temporary limited PayPal. First, log into your account and navigate to the Resolution Center. There, you'll find a detailed explanation of why your account was limited and a list of steps you need to take. It's crucial to review this information carefully to understand the specific reasons for the limitation and gather any requested documents promptly. This initial step is vital for a swift resolution. PayPal often requires specific documents to verify your identity and account activity. You might need to provide a government-issued photo identification, like a driver's license or passport, and proof of address, such as a recent utility bill or bank statement dated within the last 3 months. Ensure all copies are clear, legible, and show all 4 corners of the document. Having these ready will significantly speed up the review process. Once you have all your documents, head back to the Resolution Center. Follow the instructions to upload each required file. You may also be asked to provide a written explanation for any unusual transactions or account activity. Be clear and concise in your response. After submission, PayPal typically reviews your case within 3 to 5 business days, so keep an eye on your email for updates. After submitting your appeal, regularly check your PayPal Resolution Center for status updates or requests for additional information. If your limitation is lifted, consider implementing best practices to prevent future issues. This includes maintaining consistent account activity, avoiding large, infrequent transactions, and always adhering to PayPal's user agreement. Secure your account with strong passwords and 2-factor authentication for added protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.